Betatype started back in 2012, one of the key things that I was interested in terms of what the company was doing, was exploring the kind of complexity of design that could be delivered through additive manufacturing.
Betatype originally contacted us about 3 years ago. We refined our understanding of each other's work over the sort of 3 years, and we gradually got to a point where we had a set of objects that actually could connect to a watch and that you could put on your wrist.
Most of the process development that we've done here at Betatype has been to generate complex structures, fine lattices for the medical industry. So one of the things we wanted to look at was using that kind of technology to create really fine structures and lattices and take that into a different area.
Even though we work in an industry which is often full of heritage and old-fashioned techniques, we're very eager to innovate and push things forward.
It started as a collaboration between us and Uniform Wares, working out how we can use additive in the watch industry. But that's really developed into a product that you can now buy and wear.
It's something that we've only recently launched, but the feedback from customers is amazing. This technology and this item as an object is something really different. And the level of engineering and the level of detail that's gone into it is far beyond anything anyone's ever achieved or seen. Developments in machinery and equipment are absolutely pivotal to people who are working in the creative industry to innovate and move things forward.
There's obviously been a lot of talk about where the value of AM is. You have to start with a product that works first in the process. And what we're finding is now that we have that, is that actually all of the other benefits are kind of coming in, whether that's reduced timelines to be able to provide supply of parts to Uniform Wares, to being able to update the design on the fly, without having to rework on tooling costs. It provides a huge amount of flexibility.
I wanted to make sure people understood what it was, but we also wanted to normalise it. We wanted to put it out in a way which is like, this is just normal. It just so happens it's made this way. And look at the quality, look how well it's made, look at the accuracy. We couldn't achieve this any other way.
When we looked at all the reviews that were coming out, none of them actually talked about the additive manufacturing bit. They talked about it as a product which works and is superior in terms of the way it behaves, the quality that it provides. And that's really the measure, I think, of when you get to an end-use part. It's not just that this is an additive manufactured watch strap, it's because it's one of the best metal watch straps that you can buy today.